ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಲಾ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಷನ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು PW ಕನ್ನಡ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಫೈನ್ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಸಂಡೇ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಸೆಷನ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ಒನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಒನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ 12 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ 12 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ and all 12 marks questions are dead easy sure short questions correct fine good morning ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ good morning ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ happy sunday everyone ಸಂಡೇ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಸಂಡೇ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಸ್ ಕೃತಿಕಾ ಗುಡ್ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ಹೆಲೋ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ರೆಡಿ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೆಡಿನಾ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಶಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಫಿನಿಶ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ MCQs ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ MCQs ಎಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾಳಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಸೆಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು ದ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ನಾಳೆ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ಒನ್ ಶಾಟ್ okay ready for this session super welcome back everyone welcome to the session ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಫೈನ್ ಎಸ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ how is the preparatory preparation going on ಚಲೋ ಸೊ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ನಾ ಈ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಲ್ವಾ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ದಯಾನಂದ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೆ 3D ದಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕವರ್ ಬಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಮಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 15 to 20 ಡೇಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ 15 to 20 ಡೇಸ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಂದು ಪ್ರಾಮಿಸ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಬೈ ದ ಎಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯರ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ 19th ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈ ಒನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಯಾರ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರೈಸಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ಎಸ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಏನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಫೈನ್ ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೋರಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಓಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ you have to use what exploring the batch feature over here so exploring the batch feature andre enu all the whatever notes are there notes as well as extra question practice DPPs nimge enadru bekandre fine you have to do what students you have to download the PW Kannada app anna download ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ PW app anna download ಮಾಡಬೇಕು sorry ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ವಾಲಾ ಆಪ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇಂದ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಫೀಚರ್ ಏನಂತ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC 2025-2026 ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಟೆಂಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಾಣಿಸಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಗೋ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕ್ರಿಪ್ಷನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ as well as you will get the DPPs over here. Next, if you click on subjects over here, physics, chemistry, maths, biology, computer science kuda illi add agirutte. Okay, physics, chemistry, maths, biology alli zoology and botany. Correct? Done? Fine. And then next important thing is click on the given description and join. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ MCQs solve ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ to solve the MCQs my dear students, if you need all the important ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ ಅಡ್ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾ If you need all these things over here, where you will get, my dear students? In our PW Kannada WhatsApp. Fine. ನೋಡಿ, one single page ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ notes ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. All the important whatever things are there, important properties, important identities, shortcut formulas, adjoint, inverse, properties of determinant, all these things you will get in PW Kannada. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? You have already got the link in the pinned comment. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಷ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಶನ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? So let us start with today's topic over here. Topics to be covered today. Start ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Yes or no? Let us start, students, over here. Yes or no? ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ? Fine. Let us start. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಮೀಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಖಂಡಿತ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು. ದ ವೈರಲ್ ಟ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್? ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಆಡಿಯೋ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿಲ್ಲ? ಇಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಇರಬಹುದಾ? ಫೈನ್, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಮೈ ಸೈಡ್ ಇಂದ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಈ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಯು all important questions. All important questions and solutions. All important questions as well as solutions of this also. New ready na? Ready or no? Correct? Fine. So let us start, students. Hello sir, last year student here. ಓಕೆ, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಸಂಡೇ ಫ್ರೀ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಲೆಕ್ಚರನ್ನು. ಆರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ಯುವರ್ ಡೇಸ್? ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಲಿಯೋದ? ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ಯುವರ್ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೂನಿಯರ್ಸಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಹಾರ್ಡ್ಲಿ 2 months ಇಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್. 1 month ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಟರಿನಾಗ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮಂತ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್. ಟೈಮ ಉಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ಮೋಟಿವೇಟ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕವರ್ ಟುಡೇ determinants, basics and concepts. Correct? We are going to see 2 mark, correct? 3 mark problem barala, 4 mark and 5 mark problems. Correct? We are going to see this. Along with that, students, next we are going to see MCQs and HOTS from determinants. Clear? Understood? These are the topics we are going to cover today. Done ada? Clear? Okay, so let us start ಮಾಡೋಣ. Yes anta poll ಆಗ್ಬಿಡಿ. If you are able, if you people are ready, put a poll. Let us start over here. I used to watch a KCET lectures also. It helped me a lot to secure good rank. Super information science, very nice. ಏನಪ್ಪ ಹೆಸರು? ಎನಿಮಾ. ಫೈನ್ ಪಾ, ಏನೇನು ಹೆಸರು ಇಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಹೆಸರು ಇಡೋದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಚಲೋ. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನಾವು ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. ಫೈನ್, ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ದ ಬ್ಲೂ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಫೈನ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಇದ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತದಂತ ನಾವು 3 marks, 5 marks and 4 marks ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. But for MCQs 1 marks, the pattern might change over here. Okay, look at this now. Here if you see, total allotted marks is 12. Total allotted marks for this topic ಎಷ್ಟದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? 12 marks. Yes or no? ಈ 12 marks ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಮನಿ ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್. ಎಸ್, I remember now. Money exercise, I remember. Continuous agi KCET classes you would attend, correct. Okay, fine. I think username change ಮಾಡಿದೆಯಾ or else, and even DP you have changed, correct. So yes, if you see over here students, total 12 marks ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಬರ್ತದ. That is the first thing. ಈಗ ನೀವು 12 marks ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ ಹೋಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು MCQs ಅನ್ನ ಫೈನ್, ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ MCQs ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ 15 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಂದ್ರ ನಿಮ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಆತ, ಆಯ್ತೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, 5 marks ಲಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಟೈಪ್ 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನತಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಫೈನ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ system of linear equation, solving system of linear equation by matrix method, correct, by matrix method. Fix sure short question idu, fix question teytala, fix question, understood? After that students, next we have again 1 mark 1 MCQ bartada, correct. E 1 MCQ whatever is there, it can be on singular and non-singular matrix. Clear? Choice ಕೊಡಾತೀನಿ. It can be on singular, non-singular matrix. Yes, MCQs ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ. Concepts plus MCQs. 4 marks long answer type. 4 marks long answer type. One question. You have to find what? Find the inverse using matrix equation. Correct? Matrix equation anna use ಮಾಡಿ inverse find ಮಾಡೋದ. You'll get a question over here. Fix question ಇದು, fix. 2 question ಅದಾವ, 2ರಾಗಿಂದ 1 fix. Okay, done. Moving on next, we have 2 marks short answer type. 2 marks short answer type. Here also student, it will be fixed question on area of triangle using determinants. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಆರಾಮ್ ಸೆ ನೀವು ತೆಗಿಬಹುದಲ್ವಾ. 2 marks of plus 4 will be 2 plus 4 will be nothing but what? 2 plus 4 will be 6, 6 plus 5 will be 11. 11 ಅಂತೂ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ, yes or no? 11 ಅಂತೂ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ಅದ. And then this one question over here whatever is there, this one MCQ whatever is there, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಡನ್, ರೆಡಿ, ಲೆಟ್ us start over here. Look at this. So topics to be covered. Determinants ಅಲ್ಲಿ we are going to see what is a determinant operator over here, determinant operator and determinant as a function. Clear? ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ next we are going to see determinant of order 1 cross 1, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3 and its expansion also. Correct? And its expansion. Fine. Okay. Moving on next, we are going to see area of a triangle using determinants. Clear? ಈ 3 ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಾವು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಡನ್? ಎಸ್, ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ ಓದಿದ್ರೆ 12 ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಈ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಂದ ಫಾರ್ ಶೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಈಗ ನಾವು ಲೋವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಫೈನ್. ಎಸ್, ವೆನ್ ಐ ವಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್, ಲೋವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಲೋವರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ, ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಿ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ಸ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಅಡಿಷನ್, ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all these things you people have studied in what? Lower classes. But higher classes ಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. So here whatever determinants is there, determinant is also a operator. Clear? Determinant is also a operator that operates, okay, that operates on square matrices. Clear? That operates on square matrices. Clear? Understood? Determinant is also a, yes, all chapters ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ ಕೂಡ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ದಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರೈಸಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಓನ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರೈಸಸ್. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇದು? ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಮಷೀನ್. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಮಷೀನ್. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಏನದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಇದ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಅದ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಮಷೀನ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಷೀನ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಫೈನ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಯಾವ್ದು ರೀತಿ? ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಅಂತ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫೈನ್. ವಿ ರಿಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಡೆಲ್ಟಾ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. Now whenever I give a input to this, it will give us nothing but what? Input ಏನನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಈ ಮಷೀನಿಗ? ಫೈನ್. I have to give our input as square matrix. Correct? Square matrix. Correct? So square matrix ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ? What is the order of the square matrix over here? A n cross n matrix ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಫೈನ್. ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡು. ಎಸ್. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ದ ಇನ್ಪುಟ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಆಸ್ a n cross n ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಬಟ್ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಬಂದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸ್ಕೇಲಾರ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ associated with a. Associated with a. Clear? Understood students? Clear or no? Yes. Chapter wise chapter ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Fine. So tomorrow's class I will be covering continuity and differentiability. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? So what is the determinant work now? Determinant gives, okay, what is the work of determinant operator? Determinant of a matrix or determinant of a square matrix gives, okay, determinant of a square matrix gives the scalar, okay, the scalar value andre ena? A real value. Fine. Scalar value, or also we can tell that real or complex value. Correct? Real or complex value. Real or complex value associated with clear? Associated with the matrix. Clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? This is the meaning of determinant. Understood or no? Clear ada students? Fine. Determinant ಏನದ? Determinant ಒಂದ machine ಹಂಗದ. Fine. One square matrix ಅನ್ನ ಇದ್ರ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ. What you will get the output students over here? One scalar value you will get associated with the matrix A. Fine. ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Now, next we will discuss that determinant as a function. Determinant as a function. Can we tell determinant is a function students? ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? Can we tell determinant is a function over here? Suppose we have f is a function from mn cross n, okay, mn cross n to r, okay, m cross n to r, such that for a belongs to mn cross n, f of a is equals to determinant of a. If function ಆಗ್ತದ? Is this a function students? We are discussing over here determinant as a function. ಹೇಳಿ, determinant function ಆಗ್ತದ? Yes or no? Fine. True or false? true or false. Fine. True idra yes anta haki, false idra no anta haki. Can we say determinant as a function? Yes, 45 seconds poll korta idini, vote type. Tell fast. True or false? Can we say determinant as a function? ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದಾ? Can we say determinant as a function? Determinant ಏನದ? Determinant is a value. Fine. Determinant is a function from set of square matrices. This represents what over here? Set of square matrices. Correct? Set of square matrices. Clear? To set of real numbers. Fine. I am asking you whether this is a function or not. Yes. Super. Yes jana yes hakiri, yes jana no hakiri. Yes, 100% results are telling that yes, true. Determinant is a function, students, because ನೀವು ಏನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ರ it will give a scalar value. 2 cross 2 matrix ಕೊಡಿ, 3 cross 3 matrix ಕೊಡಿ, 4 cross 4 matrix ಕೊಡಿ, 5 cross 5 matrix ಕೊಡಿ. If you are giving a square matrix as the input, it will give a scalar value 100%. So for every input there is a output. For every input as a square matrix, input ಏನು square matrix ಇರಲಿ ಒಂದು scalar value associated ಕೊಡ್ತದ. Yes or no? Function ಕೂಡ definition ಅದೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. Whatever input you are getting, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಈಗ ಒಂದೇ ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಎರಡು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರುವಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Every square matrix has a unique scalar value. Every square matrix has a unique scalar value. Yes or no? So in that case, I can tell determinant is a function. Now the question is this. Okay, look at the question over here. Once the function admele, we can we tell that the determinant function, okay, can we tell that the determinant function, the determinant function is a bijective. Determinant function is bijective. Bijective andre ಏನು 1 1 and on 2 ಇರಬೇಕಾ? Yes or no? Now you have to tell me whether it is true or false. True. Fine. B. False. ಹೇಳಿ. KCET ನಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇದ್ರ ಮ್ಯಾಗ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಅಗೇನ್ ವೋಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ yes or no ಅಂತ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. True ಇದ್ರೆ yes ದ. If you are telling that it is true, then it will be yes. Okay, and if you are telling that it is false, then it will be no. True or false? Yes, tell me fast. Determinant is a bijective. Now when we are telling about bijective, when we are discussing about bijective over here, okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ discuss ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Yes, when I am telling that bijective, correct, when I am telling that bijective meaning ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ students, it is 1 1 and on 2. 1 1 ಕೂಡ ಆಗಬೇಕಾ, on 2 ಕೂಡ ಆಗಬೇಕಾ? Yes or no? Clear ಅದ? Clear or no? But now when we see over here, look at this. Find determinant expansion ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. If I am taking A as 1 0 0 1, correct, and B matrix as -1 0 0 -1, correct. So ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ A is not equals to B. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ. I have taken two square matrices 2 cross 2, and here also I am taking a 2 cross 2 matrix. A is not equals to B. Determinant of A ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ? What is determinant of A over here? Clear? What is determinant of A over here? Fast ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿ. What is determinant of A over here? You people know how to expand this. Yes or no? Fine. This element into this element 1 minus 0 bartada, which is equals to 1. And determinant of B is nothing but what? -1 into -1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 1 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 1 minus 0 which is equals to what? 1. But here since two matrices are unequal but determinant of A is equals to determinant of B. So ಇದೇನ್ ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ? Two different elements images are same. Two different elements images are same. So we can tell that the determinant operator delta is not 1 1. Correct? Not 1 1. But it will be onto function. But it will be onto function. So option B, that is no, false. Correct? So nimda answer ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತ? No. Correct? No should have been the answer. Understood alva? Fine. So it is not a bijective function because determinant is not 1 1 but delta is, we can tell that, but delta is onto. It will be onto function. 1 1 ಆಗಲ್ಲ but it will be onto. Clear ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Is this clear everyone? Tell me first. Fine. Yes, first PUC marathon ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಜನವರಿ 2nd ವೀಕ್ನಾಗ ಇರ್ತದಪ್ಪ. ದೇವರಾಜು ಮತ್ತೆ ಬಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಲೈವ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಬೇಡಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೈನ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಸೈನ್ ಕನ್ವೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ while expansion of determinant. It will be helpful while expansion of determinant. Correct? Yes. So let us see for sign convention of a 2 cross 2 matrix. For a 2 cross 2 matrix, sign convention ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರ್ತದ? ಫೈನ್. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ adjoint ಕೂಡ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, cofactor ಕೂಡ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದ, cofactor matrix. So when we see for a 2 cross 2 matrix over here, it will be plus minus minus plus. ಈ ರೀತಿ. Understood? Plus minus minus plus. This will be sign convention for what? A 2 cross 2 matrix. Next, when we see for a 3 cross 3 matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix. Correct? So how it will be for a 3 cross 3 matrix over here? Nodi, 3 cross 3 matrix naga it will be plus minus plus. Fine. Minus plus minus plus minus plus. Artha aita? Understood? Clear? Moving on next, we have 4 cross 4 matrix. Correct? Nim syllabus nag illa but still understand. Fine. 4 cross 4 matrix ida henge irtada anta heli because higher studies ige help ಆಗ್ತದ. Correct? So it will be like this. Plus minus plus minus minus plus minus plus. Correct? Plus minus plus minus minus plus minus plus. Clear? Understood students? So this will be for a 4 cross 4 matrix over here. Sign convention artha aita? Helpful while expansion of the determinant. Now let us go to the next topic is expansion heng madoda. Actually, how do we do the expansion of the determinant? Okay. So before we go to expansion, one result anna ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Fine. Remember this result. Clear? So what does the result say is expand the determinant, expand the determinant along the row or column, okay, having maximum 0. Okay, fine. Sure. Having maximum number of zeros. ತಿಳಿತಲ್ಲ, you are going to expand the determinant along, fine, you are going to expand the determinant along the row or column having maximum number of zeros. A first concepts ana cover ಮಾಡ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ, after that only important questions. Clear? Now first one we are going to do it for a 2 cross 2 matrix. Clear? 2 cross 2 matrix. Yes, so for a 2 cross 2 matrix heng ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Suppose we have A is equals to A B C D. Fine. Suppose we have the matrix A B C D, then determinant of A will be equals to what, students? This into this, A into D, diagonal elements anna multiply ಮಾಡಿ minus the off diagonal elements, minus B into C. Correct alva? AD minus BC over here. How we are going to expand the determinant? A into D minus B into C. Clear? Second one we have for a 3 cross 3 matrix. For a 3 cross 3 matrix, how we are going to expand, students? Yes, fine, ಇದನ್ನ separate ಆಗಿ discuss ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಚಲೋ, 3 cross 3 matrix expansion. Okay, fine. So nodi, whenever we have a 3 cross 3 matrix, students, over here, that is we have A is equals to, suppose we have A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. Okay, clear? Understood, students? Fine. A1 B1 C1, A2 B2 C2, A3 B3 C3. Idu 3 cross 3 matrix ada. Now whatever this 3 cross 3 matrix is there, this 3 cross 3 matrix, this matrix determinant expansion can be done in how many ways, students? How many ways? Integer type MCQs barboda. It can come in MCQ, students. So try to answer in how many ways can we do the expansion of a 3 cross 3 matrix? In dash ways. Fast again. In how many ways can we do the expansion of this determinant 3 cross 3 matrix? The ಎಷ್ಟು ways naag possible ada? In how many ways can we do it? Tell me fast. Expansion of a 3 cross 3 matrix can be done in how many ways? 3 ways ah? Nodi, MCQs ಬಂದ್ರೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ? ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? MCQs ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೇಮ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನವರಿಗ ದಾನ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಇನ್ 6 ways. That is the importance of covering the theory. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? MCQs ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. It can be done in 6 ways. How 6 ways, sir? ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಫೈನ್, 3 along the rows, R1 R2 R3, ಇದು 3 ways ಆಯ್ತಾ? And 3 along the columns C1 C2 C3. Okay, 3 along the rows and 3 along the common. So in total 6 ways we can do it. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಾ 6 ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಫೈನ್. ಯಾಕೆ ಪೋಲ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಫೈನ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ದ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ 6 ways. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡ್ರೂ ಥ್ರೂ, ಫೈನ್, along first row, correct? Along the first row, how we can do, students? Along the first row over here, quick agi cover madbidtini. You people already know. So we have to choose the hero elements. Hero elements ಏನು ಆಗ್ತಾವ when we are expanding along the first row over here? Hero elements will be A1 B1 C1 ಸಲ್ಮಾನ್ ಖಾನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಶಾರುಖ್ ಖಾನ್ ಅಮೀರ್ ಖಾನ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟೂಡ್? ಹೀರೋ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan and Amir Khan. Okay, so choose this hero elements, that is A1 along with its sign. Sign ಏನಾಗ್ತದ plus minus plus, correct? So A1 determinant of, eliminate this, it will be B2 C2 B3 C3, correct? Minus, take the sign, minus B1, again same, eliminate this, correct, column, this row, remaining elements determinant A2 C2 A3 C3. okay, ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ, ಬಟ್ ಒನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಮೀರ್ ಖಾನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ and then we have delete this and this, so we have A2 B2 A3 B3. so this is along the first row. Understood students? Clear ada? Tell me fast, clear or not? Thumbs up kodi fast agi or else fire anna haki. Clear alwa? Moving on next over here, ade riti we can expand this second one, we can expand along third column also. Na 6 ways naga expand ಮಾಡಬಹುದು along the third column also. I can do this, yes or no? Fine. Along third column ಹೆಂಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ sir? How along the third column over here? Third column andra I have to choose this now. Clear? Choose the heroine elements. Fine. Heroine elements anna choose ಮಾಡಿ, correct? That is nothing but what? Janhvi Kapoor, Kareena Kapoor, Karishma Kapoor. Yes or no? Choose ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ? Yes or no? C1 C2 C3 heroine elements anna choose ಮಾಡಿ, correct ada? Fine. So sign ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ತರದ, Janhvi Kapoor plus, here minus and here again plus, correct? So from here we have C1, fine, expand ಮಾಡುವಾಗ plus C1 times determinant of, okay, change pen color, yes, C1 times determinant of, C1 choose ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ I have to delete this and I have to delete this, so it will be A2 B2, correct, A2 B2 A3 B3, minus it will be C2 times of, correct, C2 choose ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ I have to delete this and I have to delete this, so ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆವಾಗ A1 B1 A3 B3, clear, and plus C3 times of, I have to delete this and this, correct? So it will be nothing but what? A1, correct, A1 B1 A2 B2. Clear aata? Did you people understand? Now in this way 6 ways we can expand the determinants, correct? 6 ways only we can expand the determinants. And how do we do that? Which way we have to choose? Illinda nodi. We have to choose what? Expand the determinants in which there are maximum number of zeros, correct? Maximum number of zeros iddalike ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾ? ಇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್? ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನಿಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇವಾಗ. ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ. ಈ ತರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಟೈಪ್ನಾಗ ಹಾಕಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಯು 45 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಪ್ ಟು ಯು, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕು ಆ ವೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 0 ರೋ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್. ಫೈನ್, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ 0 ಇರೋ ರೋ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಈಸಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಫೈನ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದಲ್ಲ? ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗಿತು. ಈಗ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಚಲೋ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ PUC ಮಾಡಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ನೋಡಿ, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೂಸ್ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೋ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ರೋ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಬಟ್ ನಾ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಝೀರೋಸ್ ಅದಾವ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ವಾಟ್ 400 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ this into this, that is minus 100. Correct or no? Minus this into this will be nothing but what? 4 3s are 1200. Minus ulkida elements are 0 over here. Janvi Kapoor positive over here, positive, negative, positive. Theta. So 400 times of this will be nothing but what? Minus 1300. Okay. So which will be minus 13 fours are 52. Correct. And number of zeros will be 4. Correct. So it will be, this is the value. Understood, students? 88 hengappa. How we can do it like this, alva? Yes or no? 400, this into this will be minus 100, minus 10 into this, and this minus of minus, fine, thetala expansion ಮಾಡೋದ. Yes or no? So it will be nothing but what? So minus sign antu baralla, so I will use it as 52,000. Fine, this is the answer. Clear everyone? Fine, because now determinant ತಗೊಳ್ಳುವಾಗ next time we have to take this determinant ishta. Correct? I hope it is clear. Chalo, next, do this. If A is equals to this matrix, fine, that is 0 cos alpha sin alpha minus cos alpha 0 minus cos alpha minus sin alpha cos alpha 0, you need to find what? The determinant value of this. Okay, answer anna haki integer type pole anna kodta idini. Yes, do it, students. Do it fast. Correct ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Correct. Expand ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? So here if you expand, students, over here determinant of A, it will be, okay, any row any column you can choose. So 0 into anything is 0 over here, first element 0 banta. So here the sign is plus minus plus. So minus we have cos alpha multiplied by this into this, it will be 0 minus it will be nothing but what? Sin alpha cos alpha, because minus into minus plus ಆಗ್ತದ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬಂದು already minus sign ಅದ. Correct. Plus it will be nothing but what? Sin alpha into this into this, it is nothing but what? Minus of minus, it will be what? Minus here it will be cos square alpha theta. So ilinda, students, if you solve minus into minus plus ಆಗ್ತದ, it will be sin alpha cos square alpha, and here it will be minus sin alpha cos square alpha. So ಎರಡು cancel ಆಗಿ answer will be nothing but what? 0. 0 banta ellarigu? Did you people get the answer 0 over here? Banta 0? Yes or no? Correct. Okay, so here if you see, students, there is a standard result over here. ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, result for MCQ. Result for MCQ. Fine. Yes, the result says that the determinant of the determinant of the, okay, the determinant of the odd order, okay, odd order ಏನಿರ್ಬೇಕಾ? odd ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾ? Okay, the determinant of the odd order skew symmetric matrix, correct, skew symmetric matrix is always 0. Clear, students? The determinant of the odd order skew symmetric matrix, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, fine, odd order ಇದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, odd order idre ashte, it will be 0 over here. ಇದೇನದ skew symmetric matrix ಅದ. Here if you see, here A transpose is equals to minus of A. Verify ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ. You can verify this and check. A transpose is equals to minus of A. So this matrix is what? Skew symmetric. Skew symmetric. And its order is also what? 3 cross 3 odd ada. So its determinant value should be what? 0. Good morning everyone. Good morning. Tetala. Understood right? Next question is gogona. Yes. Find the value of x for which these two determinants are equal. Find the value of x for which these two determinants are equal. Quick ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ. Do it quickly. Find the value of x for which these two determinants are equal. Chal, let us expand this. Idana expand madidre 3 minus we have x square. This is 3 minus x square is equals to 3 ones are 3 minus 4 twos are 8. So we have 3 minus x square is equals to 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Ilinda idanna ee kade karkondu bandra 3 plus 5 will be equals to x square, or this implies that your x square value is equal to 8, or therefore x value is equals to plus or minus root 8. So x value ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ plus or minus 2 root 2. Plus or minus 2 root 2. This is the answer. Understood? Clear? 4 2 alva 2 plus or minus 2 root 2 is the answer. Done? MCQ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Do this MCQ. Yes, the value of cos 15 degree, cos 15 degree, sin 15 degree, sin 15 degree. Correct? Do it, students. 45 seconds. Do it quickly. Except continuity and integrals, if you are skipping, Ravichandra, continuity and integrals skip ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾವಪ್ಪ. Because continuity itself will come for how much? 19 marks. Integral itself will come in your board exam for around 25 marks. Correct? That is the king and queen topics. Yes or no? Big fan. Big fan is what? Windmill. Okay, chalo. So ilinda students, if you find the determinant this into this, that is nothing but what? Cos square 15 degree minus it will be nothing but what? Sin square 15 degree. Correct? Yes or no? So cos square theta minus sin square theta is nothing but what? Cos 2 theta, which is cos 2 times of 15 degrees. Correct? So which is nothing but what? Cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree value in ಬರ್ತದ root 3 by 2. Correct? So root 3 by 2. Option B is correct. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದೈತಿ? ಯಾರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಚಾಟ್ಸ್. ವೈ? ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ is correct. Done? Yes or no? Other important topics will be relations and functions. Fine. Matrices, determinants, correct? And vectors, 3D, probability. Fine. This all will be important then. So this question you people can practice. Practice problem. Okay, understood students? Clear alva? Let us move ahead. Next is we have to find area of the triangle using determinants. Correct? A determinants ana use ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಾವು area of the triangle find ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? So this is nothing but what? Application of determinants. Application of determinants. Clear? So nodi how we are going to do over here. Understand this. So suppose suppose we have x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3, okay, be the vertices of the triangle, be the vertices of the triangle, okay. Then area of the triangle using determinants, area of the triangle using determinants, okay, is given by, correct. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು? x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 are nothing but what, students? Vertices of the triangle, okay. If they are the vertices of the triangle over here, then how do we give? Fine, look at this. Area A is equals to half of mod of determinant of, okay, mod value ಯಾಕೆ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ explain ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, but look at this. x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1 square units, okay, square units, okay. So this is mod, students, mod of a determinant, mod, okay. Clear? Understood? Fine. Total determinants 100 marks ಗೆ ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ, so only it will become a high weightage topic. ತೇತಲ್ಲ? Fine. Now, understood this? So suppose, or here I'll give you one more point over here. Suppose the points are, suppose, clear? This is the note. Okay. Suppose x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3, whatever these points are there, x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 are collinear. If they are collinear, then area of triangle is 0. Clear, other students? If the points are collinear, then the area of the triangle will be equals to 0. Done. Now look at this. We have nothing but what? Certain remarks over here. Since area is a positive quantity, we always take the absolute value of the determinant. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ mod ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Yes or no? Area ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Always it is positive. Area positive ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ we always take the absolute value of the determinant. Next, if area is given, we use both negative and value. Fine. Area ಏನಾರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿದ್ರ question ನಾಗ, if they have given us the area, we always take both positive value as well as negative value of the determinant. Clear? Next, the area of the triangle is formed by three non-collinear points. Sorry, 3 collinear points is 0. Other same note ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಏನಾರೆ points or if the vertices are collinear. Collinear ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? What is the meaning of collinear over here? Collinear meaning is lying on, okay, points on the same straight line. Points lie on a straight line. Clear? Points lie on the straight line. Clear? So if the points lie on the straight line over here, fine, then the area formed by the 3 collinear points is 0. Clear, alva? So this is the basics of what? Area of the triangle. Now 3 different questions can be asked from these concepts. Clear? These questions na solve madangilla. Fine, because you people already know how to solve this question. But from this concept over here, 3 different questions can be asked. Yav riti? Question number 1 nodi. Question number 1 will be nothing but what? Yes, you need to find the area of the triangle using this vertices. Fast ag ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? I am not going to solve. You people solve this and drop your answer in the chat box. First type of question will be what? Finding the area of the triangle. Finding the area of the triangle whose vertices are given. ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Those who are there in the class, drop your answer in chat box. Fast type. Yes, quickly. Answers barli chat box alli. Fast, fast. Banta answer. Did you people get the answer? Done. This question will be asked for 2 marks. Okay. 3 different questions. Out of this 3 different question, each question andre one question bartada exam naga, but weightage of this will be, okay, weightage is nothing but what? 2 marks over here. Okay, clear? Fine. Yes, look at this. We need to find the area of the triangle. Vertices anna kottidara. Fine. Vertices anna kottidara. Now from here, students, if we see over here, okay, the area of the triangle over here is nothing but what? Area is nothing but 30.5 square units. Clear? 30.5 square units. Next, here you need to find the values of k. K values anna find madbeka. Area of the triangle anna kottidara. Okay, so here and the vertices are given. One of the vertices naga k ada. Same concept again. Clear? Same concept over here. Fine. So again here you will get 2 values of k. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ questions ನಿಮ್ಗೆ regular classes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೇವಿ. 2 values of k you will get over here. ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. Clear alva? Next you have, students, you need to find the equation of the line joining these 2 points. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? In this question, students, they are telling that 2 points are there. Correct? There are 2 points over here. Fine. Suppose let us take this point as 1 comma 2. 1 comma 2 and we have another point as 3 comma 6. Using determinants now find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ. So what we'll do, we will take another point over here, x comma y. So more points ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, and these 3 points are nothing but what, students, over here? These 3 points are collinear. So since these 3 points are collinear, the area covered by this will be equals to what? 0. Correct? So ಅವಾಗ ನೀವು determinant ಅನ್ನ expand ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ you will get nothing but what? X is equals to 2y. Yes or no? X is equals to 2y. K value is 0 and 8. Fine. K value is 0 and 8. Correct. But what is the answer for this? Yes. X is equals to, just a minute. Yes. Fine. X is, y is equals to x. Fine. Chal. So here we will have nothing but what? The equation of the line will be y is equals to 2x. Clear? So E type of questions are which you people should be able to answer. Here the k value is, fine, k value is equals to 0 and k value is equal to 8. Did you people understand? Fine. Moving on next. We have show that these 3 points are collinear. This one bare type of question. Here we need to show that these 3 points are collinear. Now torsbek. ಯಾವಾಗ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ? ವೆನ್ ದ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ಫೈನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅಪ್ಪ, ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್. A, B, C will be collinear, okay, are collinear. Fine, these 3 points will be collinear if area of the triangle is 0. Correct, area of the triangle is 0. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಅವ್ರು? ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ 0 ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ನಮ್ದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೋಲಿನಿಯರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಎ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ವಾಟ್? ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, mod of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1. okay, this should be equal to what? 0 ಬರ್ಬೇಕ, ನಾವು ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅದಕ್ಕ. ಫೈನ್, ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ a is equals to half of mod of determinant of points. ನೋಡಿ, this is x1 y1, correct, this is we have x2 y2 and this is we have x3 y3, correct. So if I expand now, this will be nothing but what? A, b plus c 1, correct. Next we have b, c plus a 1 and next we have c, a plus b 1. expand ಮಾಡಿ determinant ಅನ್ನು. carefully ಆಗಿ expand this determinant over here. clear, carefully expand the determinant over here students. what you will get now? ನೋಡಿ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದ? a will be equals to half of mod of, correct. if you expand this, a times of, it will be nothing but what? this into this, a plus c minus this into this will be a minus b, minus we have b plus c times of, correct, this into this will be nothing but what? b minus c. moving on to the last one, plus we have 1 times of ಅದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ab plus b square minus c square minus ac. clear, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? understood? fine, moving on to the last step over here. after this we have half of, clear. so ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? we have ac minus ab minus here we have nothing but what? b plus c, b minus c minus b square plus c square plus we have ab plus b square minus c square minus ac. so ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ this will get cancelled, this will also get cancelled, this will also get cancelled, this will also get cancelled. so total answer area ಏನ್ ಬಂತ? area is 0. so therefore it confirms that what? hence proved 3 points are collinear. yes or no? hence 3 points are what students over here? collinear over here. done ada? did you people understand this? ಹೇಳಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. clear or not? ಇದು ಕೂಡ 2 marks ಗೆ ಕೇಳಬಹುದಾ? this also question can be asked for here 2 marks. 2 marks chances are there of asking it. clear ಅಲ್ವಾ? done. next ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. yes, we have this MCQs. ಮಾಡಿ. do this students. do it over here. do it fast. 30 seconds ಸಾಕು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ. do it. okay, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದ್ರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತದ? we have a standard result over here. yes or no students? what is the result we have? correct? yes, look at the result. we have the result that A is a n cross n matrix ada. A is a n cross n matrix, correct. then determinant of k times of A will be equals to, k ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರ If at all we have to remove k outside the determinant, then it will be k to the power of n times determinant of a. Understood? So this is the result. A, suppose we have n cross n matrix, then determinant of k times of A, k anna ಹೊರಗೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರ k to the power of n times determinant of A it will be. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ, determinant of 3 times of A ನಾವು find ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ, this is a 3 cross 3 matrix. If I remove 3 outside, it will be 3 to the power of 3 times determinant of A. So which is 27 times determinant of A. So from here students, what is the value of determinant of A? First of all, determinant of A ನಾನು expand ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮಾಡಲಿ? Can I expand along the first column? So 1 times of, it will be nothing but what? 4 minus 0 plus 0. So from here answer will be what? 4. So 27 times of 4, which is nothing but what? 108 is the answer. Option D is correct. Clear? Poll ಮುಗ್ದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ತಗೊಳಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Before poll will end, you need to give the answer. Okay? Understood alva? Correct or not? So 108 is the answer. Moving on next. We have this. If we have determinant of x to 18x is equals to 6 to 18 6, then the value of x is clear. Madi nodona. So this question, it had come in boards 2025. Fine. Either question namda boards 25 nag bandaiti. Clear? Fine. Do it. Do it fast, students. Chalo. C is the answer. Very nice. Nodi illinda. So here if we multiply this and take, idan now multiply madidvi andra, we have x square minus 36, correct, is equals to, ill kuda 6 6 are 36 minus 18 2 are 36. Yes or no? This will get cancelled. So we have x square is equals to 36. X value is equals to what? Plus or minus root of 36. So x value in banta plus or minus 6. Simple problem alva. C is the answer. Nodi 1 marks nim banta. Correct or no? 1 marks you got over here. Clear? So option C is correct. Poll ತಗೊಳತಿಲ್ವಾ? Yes. Do this problem students. Fine. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ನೋಡಿ 2 marks ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತ, ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಥ್ರೂ ಅ MCQ. ಓಕೆ, 60 seconds ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಾಡಿ. ಸರ್ ಐ ಫೇಲ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಪರೇಟರಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯಪ್ಪ. ಫೈನ್, ಫೈನಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯಾ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಟೆಂಪ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ ಫೇಲ್ ಆಗ್ತೀಯಾ, ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಫೇಲ್ ಯುವರ್ ಸಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆಸ್ ವೆಲ್. ಸೊ ಇವಾಗಿಂದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡು. Start studying correctly. Fine. Done na? Chalo. So ilinda nodi. How do we do this now? They are telling that area of the triangle is equals to 35. Determinants ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will be half of mod of determinant of x1. Points ಏನದಾವ 2 minus 6 1. Clear? We have 5 4 1 and k 4 1. Correct? This determinant value we have. If I cross multiply 70 ಸಿಗ್ತದ. ಈ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗ್ದ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರ if I remove this mod sign over here, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತದ, it will be plus or minus equal to. Fine. Start by expanding now. Expand ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ start ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 2 times of 4 minus 4 minus of minus 6 times of, it will be nothing but what, students? 5 into this will be 5 minus k plus 1 times of 4 5s are 20 minus 4k. Correct alva? Yes or no? So we have plus or minus 70 is equals to, this is 0. Ilinda 6 times of 5 minus k and we have plus 20 minus 4k. Okay, so plus or minus 70 is equals to 6 5s are 30 minus 6k plus 20 minus 4k. So ilinda ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ, sorry 6k. So we'll have plus or minus 70 is equals to 50 minus 10k. Correct? Clear? Okay. Unnecessary chats ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Fine. If I am not giving answer, then I don't have the answer for that. You need to understand. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? If you are putting 100 times also na answer ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ I don't know the answer for that. Correct ಅದ? Clear? ಚಲೋ. So ilinda we have 50 minus 10k is equal to 70. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಆಯ್ತಾ, or we have 50 minus 10k is equals to minus of 70. ಎರಡು equations ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರೆ it will be minus 20 is equals to minus 10k. Correct? ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. This will get cancelled. So k value is equals to what? 2. K value is equals to what? 2 over here. Understood? Fine. So next 50 plus 70 is equals to 10k. So 120 is equals to 10k. So k value ಏನು ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲಿಂದ 12. Understood? Yes or no? Fine. So k value correct ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದ್ರ 50 minus 10k we have plus 70 and 50 minus 10k we have minus 70. ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ? D minus 2. How? 50 minus 4k minus 10k. Correct? So 50 minus 10k is equals to 70 minus 70. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರೆ plus plus. Yeah, which option is correct? D ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ? Clear? Here see, I have cross multiplied 35 2s are 70. ಈ mod ತೆಗ್ದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ plus or minus ಬರ್ತದೆ. Expanding the determinant over here will get minus of minus plus 6. This is 0. 6 5s are 30 minus 6k and here it will be plus 20 minus 4k. 50 minus 10k. Clear or no? So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರು ಕೂಡ here I have done the mistake. Correct. Clear? So here if we see minus 10k will be equals to, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬಂದ್ರೆ it will be 20. So k value will be equals to minus 2. Correct? Here it should have been minus 70. ಆ ರೀತಿ. Correct alva? 70 minus 50. Correct? Now these are the two values over here. So minus 2 and 12. Option D is correct. Option D is correct. How to pass second preparatory, sir? Which chapters to do? Matrices ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, determinants ಮಾಡು, relations and functions ಮಾಡು, continuity fixed problems ಮಾಡು. Correct? Integrals ಅಲ್ಲಿ standard integrals ಮಾಡು, LPP ಮಾಡು. Correct? And then vectors ಅಲ್ಲಿ section formula ಮಾಡು. All these are fixed questions. Correct? D is the answer. 100%. Very nice. Done other. Next, moving on to the next topic over here. Okay na, correct. Moving on to the next topic over here, we have minors, cofactors and adjoint. Minors ಮತ್ತೆ cofactor use ಮಾಡಿ adjoint find ಮಾಡೋದಾ, singular non singular matrix, inverse of the matrix find ಮಾಡೋದಾ, and solving the system of linear equation using matrix method. Determinants part 1 ಮುಗೀತಾ. This is determinants part 2. Clear? Determinants part 2 ಅನ್ನ start ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. So when we see about minors and cofactors over here, correct? So minors definition ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದ? Minors definition ನೋಡಿ, the minor of the element, the minor of the element, fine, the minor of the element aij, okay, the minor of the element aij is denoted by, okay, is denoted by mij. Clear ada? The minor of the element aij is denoted by mij, fine, and is obtained by, and is obtained by, and is obtained and is the determinant, okay, and is the determinant, okay, it is the determinant obtained by eliminating ith row, okay, eliminating ith row and jth column. Clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Yes or no? So minor of the element aij ನೀವು find ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ it is denoted by mij. Clear? It is denoted by what, students? It is denoted by mij, and it is nothing but what? Obtained by, and is the determinant obtained by deleting the ith row and jth column. Fine. Example ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. But before that we will study what is cofactor. Correct? What is cofactor? Correct? So look at this. Fine. The meaning of cofactor. The cofactor of element aij is denoted by capital Aij. Okay, capital Aij. Theta. The cofactor of the element aij is denoted by aij and is nothing but what? And is the signed minors. Signed minors. Minor ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಾತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Sign ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. Understood? Fine. And is the signed minors given by okay, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು. ಮೈನರಿಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? aij is equals to -1 to the power of I plus j into mij. This is how we give. Clear? Did you people understand this? This is how we give it. aij is equals to -1 to the power of I plus j into mij. Clear? Cofactors and minors. Clear? One example ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Things will be clear. Chalo. Look at this. Suppose we have the matrix A is equals to, fine, -2, -1, 3, 5, 6, 0, -4, 7, 1. Clear? Fine. Understood, students? Sir, exam ದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಇಲ್ಲ ನೆಸೆಸಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮೈನರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮೈನರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದ ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಿಗಪ್ಪ ಸಂಜು. ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಮೈನರ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕೋಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದಿ ಫೈಂಡಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ solving the system of linear equations. Okay, ashtaka beka, so we are doing the basics. Clear? So here we will start by find the minors and cofactor of each element. Correct? We need to find the minors and cofactor of each element over here. Fine? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದಾನ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? Next we are going to go to find what? Adjoint. But first here we will find the minor and cofactor over here. Fine? So for the element minus 2, correct? We will start with element by element. Minus 2 ga we have to find M11. M11 is nothing but what? The determinant obtained by deleting first row and first column. Andre 6071. So it will be nothing but what? 6 bartada illi. Yes or no? Now A11 corresponding to it, A11 will be nothing but what over here? A11 ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ minus 1 to the power of 2 into 6, so which will be equals to 6. Similarly, in on next element we have to find it for what? Minus 1. Minus 1 ಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? M12, so which will be nothing but what? Deleting this and this, so 50 minus 4 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So A12 will be equals to what? ನೋಡಿ A12 ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? Minus 1 to the power of 3, because 1 plus 2 is 3 into 5, so minus 5. Correct? Similarly students, for the element 3, clear? For the element 3 over here, 3 andra M13 ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? Determinant of, we have to delete this and this, 5 6 minus 4 7, 7 5s are 35. Correct? 7 5s are we have 35, minus of minus plus 6 4s are 24. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ? How much will get? 30 50 59 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Correct, 59. So A13 will be equals to what? Minus 1 to the power of 4 into 59, which is equals to what? 59. Did you people understand this? Clear ada? Fine. Adhe riti let us find for other elements as well. Correct alva? Okay, little bit I'll shift it and take. Chal. Next element ilik banda, we have nothing but what? For the 5. 5 will be nothing but what? M21. Delete second row and first column. Delete ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಉಳಿತದ? minus 1 3 7 1. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ minus 1 into this will be nothing but what? Minus 1 minus 7 3s are 21, which is equals to what? Minus 22. Correct alva? Minus 29. Check ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ correct ಆಗಿ. 7 3s ಆದ. Yes or no? So from here we have nothing but what? Nimdu A21 will be equals to minus 1 to the power of 3 into minus 22. Nodi, this is also minus into minus, it will become plus. Theta. Moving on to the next element. Next element we have nothing but what? 6 find ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? 6 will be nothing but what? M22. So second row, second column anna delete ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ we are remaining with minus 2 3 minus 4 1. Correct? So from here this will be minus 2 minus of minus plus 12, which is equals to 10. Verify ಮಾಡಿ students ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ whether it is correct or not. So minus 1 to the power of 4 into 10, answer will be what? 10. Moving on to the last element over here. Last element ಗೆ ಹೊರಟು ಬಿಡೋಣ. Yes, so last element we have nothing but what? For the element 0, that is M23. Second row, third column anna delete ಮಾಡಿ. Second row, third column. -2, -1, -4, 7. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ? 7 2s -14 minus into minus plus ಆಗ್ತದ 4 1s 4, which is -18 over here. So the element cofactor A23 will be nothing but what? -1 to the power of 5 into m, correct, into this element over here, which is nothing but what? -18. Minus into minus plus 18 ಬರ್ತದೆ. Whether it is clear or not? ಹೇಳಿ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಫೈನ್. ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಸಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ರೀಸನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಚಲ್. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ವಾಟ್? -4. ಓಕೆ, ಫಾರ್ -4 it will be M31. Determinant of M31 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? Third row, first column we need to delete, which is -1 3 6 0. So if we solve this, 0 minus 18 will be -18. So A31 will be -1 to the power of 4 into -18 will be minus of 18. Clear? Understood? Moving on to the next, that is for 7 we need to find, that is M32. M32 ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Determinant of third row, second column we need to delete, -2 3 5 0. So answer ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? -15 ಬರ್ತದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ. So which is nothing but what? A32 will be -1 to the power of 5 into -15. Answer will be nothing but what? 15 over here. Done? Clear ada? Moving on to the last element over here, that is nothing but what? 1. So M33. Third row, third column anna delete ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? So -2 -1 5 6, which is equals to 6 2s are -18 plus 5, correct, which is nothing but what? -18 plus 5 andra minus of 13, correct. So MA33 will be nothing but what? -1 to the power of 6 into -13, which will be equals to what? -13. So ee riti prati ಒಂದು element the, correct students? Over here every element cofactor and minor we have calculated. Yes or no? Correct ada ಏನilla? Fine. You people already know this. Okay, but next year ಯಾರು ಬಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ವಾಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಇರಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? Yes or no? Understood? Clear ada? So this is how we calculate minors and cofactors. Understood the definition? Minor ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ we need to eliminate ith row jth column, determinant find ಮಾಡಿ. If we need to find the cofactor, it is signed minors Aij. Done? Wrong? Yellappa, yav element wrong ada? Which element is wrong? Do let me know. Which element? M33. M33 is obtained by -2 6 5 -1, correct. 6 2s are okay. Ill mistake ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So here we have 6 into this is -12 plus 5. So how much we'll get? 5, this is -7. So -1 to the power of 6 into -7. So answer will be what? -7. Now is it correct? Okay, done. So this is how we find the minors and cofactors of each element. ಈಗ minors and cofactors ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, after we find minors and cofactors over here, next we go to what? Adjoint of a matrix, correct or no? So adjoint of a matrix is nothing but what? Adjoint of a matrix A is clear. Adjoint of a matrix A, correct? Adjoint of a matrix A is denoted by, correct, is denoted by adjoint of A, correct, adjoint of A, and is a matrix obtained by taking the transpose. Okay, transpose andre ena interchanging rows and columns, correct or no? And is obtained by taking the transpose of cofactor matrix of A. Understood? Did you people understand this? Correct. Adjoint of a matrix A is denoted by adjoint of A. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನಾವು adjoint of A ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. And it is obtained by taking what? Transpose. So therefore I can tell that adjoint of A is equals to cofactor of A transpose. Theta cofactor of A transpose. Sir, example ಕೊಡಿ. ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಮಗೆ ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, we have this matrix that is nothing but what? A is equals to, ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ -2 -1 3 -2 -1 3 5 6 0 -4 7 1. Correct? This is the matrix we have. ಈಗ ಇದ್ರ cofactor matrix of A, cofactor matrix of A, cofactor of A is equal to what students? Obtained by what? Cofactor elements ಬರೀರಿ, ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದ, you write down the cofactor over here. Yes or no? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? A11 A12 A13 A21 A22 A23 A31 A32 A33. Every element write down the cofactor over here, which is equals to what? Fine. Look at this. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅದ. A11 6 ಅದ, -5 59 6 -5 59 we have. Correct? Next, what elements we have? 22 10 18 22 10 18, and then again we have nothing but what students? Correct? -18 15 -7 -18, correct? 15, sorry, yes, 15 -7 15 -7. So this is the cofactor matrix. Clear? Understood? ಇದಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ 5 marks question ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತದ. Okay, understood? Now from here, if you want to find the adjoint of the matrix A, it is equals to cofactor matrix of A ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅತ್ರ transpose, which is equals to what? ಈ matrix ನ interchange ಮಾಡಿ 6 - 5 59 6 - 5 59 22 10 18, and then we have -18 15 and -7. Is this clear? Is this clear for you people? Understood or not? Clear? 22 10 18. Clear? Artha aita? How do we find adjoint of the matrix over here? Next we have shortcut. Correct? Shortcut to find the adjoint. Clear? Shortcut to find adjoint of the matrix. Clear? Shortcut to find the adjoint. Clear? ಏನ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಅದ ಸರ್ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದಲ್ಲ ನೀವು? ಎಸ್ ಆನ್? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ಅ 2x2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ 2x2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. Clear? 2x2 ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದಾ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ನೋಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್. ಸಿ, suppose we have A is equals to the matrix A, B, C, D. Correct? 2 cross 2 matrix ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ shortcut. Suppose we have A, B, C, D, then adjoint of A will be equals to, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈ ಡಯಾಗ್ನಲ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಇದನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ, ಎ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀರಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್, if you want, write down the step. Step 1 is interchange the diagonal elements. Next, whatever these elements are there, e elements ಏನದಾವಲ್ಲ b and c, ಅದರ sign change ಮಾಡಿ. That is minus b and minus c. Plus idra minus, minus idra plus. This is how we find adjoint of a matrix for 2 cross 2 matrix. Okay? Example ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. A is equals to, we have 0, minus 2, 3, 5. Find adjoint of A. Find adjoint of A. Quick cut follow ಮಾಡಿ. After that, we will go for what? Adjoint of 3 cross 3 matrix. Shortcut. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ, ಫುಲ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? Fast, tell me the answer in chat box. Same matrix ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ so that ನಮ್ಮ answer verify ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. A is equals to, we have this matrix. Same I will take. Minus 2, minus 1, 3. Minus 2, minus 1, 3. 5, 6, 0. Minus 4, 7, 1. Same matrix ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. What is the adjoint of this matrix? Tell me first. ಈ matrix ಅದು adjoint ಎಂತದ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Adjoint of this matrix A will be equals to what? Correct? First step ಈ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಂಟರ್ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. So 5, 0. Next step is we need to change the sign. Minus 2 idra plus 2, plus 3 idra minus 3. This is the adjoint. Clear? Math semi-final 31st ಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ mostly. Okay? On 31st. Clear alva? 5, 0. Yes. Sangmesh, very nice appa. 5, 2, minus 3, 0. Clear? Understood, right? Now, this matrix. For a 3 cross 3 matrix, shortcut ಏನದ sir? ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು? Whatever these elements are there, write down like this. Minus 2, minus 1, 3, 5, 6, 0, minus 4, 7, 1. ಈ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ದ್ರ. After writing these elements like this, repeat the first 2 columns over here. ಈ first 2 columns ಏನದಾವಲ್ಲ, repeat it over here students. That is minus 2, 5, minus 4, minus 1, 6, 7. Repeat ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ ಇದನ್ನ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರಿಪೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 rows over here. ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 rows ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. That is minus 2, minus 1, 3, minus 2, minus 1, and 5, 6, 0, 5, 6. After this, you need to delete these 2 rows. Okay? ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಾರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫೈನ್, ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್. Clear? And also you need to delete the first row over here. Clear? Yes. After this, once you have done this step over here, directly adjoint of A ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸಿಗ್ತದ. ವೆರಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಇದನ್ನ ಏನು ಸಿಗೋದ. ಸೊ ಹೌ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಾವು? ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೌ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 6 ಬಂತ. ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್. 7 3s are 21. 21 plus 1 will be 22. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 22 ಬರ್ತದ. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾನು ಏನಾದರೂ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ದ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ರೋ ವೈಸ್, ಕಾಲಮ್ ವೈಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋದ, ರೋ ವೈಸ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೆಯೋದು. ಡನ್. ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್, 6 1s are 6 minus 0, 7 3s are 21, minus of minus plus 22, again 0 minus 18. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ 18 ಬಂತ. ಸೈನ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಕಾಳಜಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ, ಅಗೈನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ 0 ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ 5. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ 5 ಬಂತ. minus 2 minus of minus plus 12, 10 ಬಂತ. 5 3s are 15 minus 0, 15 ಬಂತ. Yes on. Moving on to the last now. Last over here. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ kindly stop the video and watch once again. 7 5s are 35, minus of minus plus ಆಗ್ತದ. 35 plus 7 5s are 35, 35 plus 24. 35 plus 24 ಅಂದ್ರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ, 59. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ದಿಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4, 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 14 ಅಂದ್ರ ಮೈನಸ್ 10 ಬರ್ತದ. ಎಸ್ ಆನ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ. ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಸಿಕ್ಕೈತಿ ನಮ್ಗ. ಓ ಮೈನಸ್ 18 ಬಂದೈತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಂಟು ದಿಸ್, ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. So plus 4 plus this will be minus of minus plus 4. 4 plus 14 will be 18 over here. And this into this, that is minus 6 2s are minus 12, minus 12 plus 5 andra minus 7. Same answer bandaitinilla. Tell me students. Here also by long method we have got the same thing. 622 minus 18, 622 minus 18. minus 5 10 15 and 15 18 minus 7. Clear? Did you people get this? Artha aithen ilri ellarigu? Did you people understand this or no? So this is how we find the adjoint by a shortcut method. Fine. Yes, do this question. Quick ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ question ಅನ್ನ. 30 seconds time. Result ಅದ. Okay, we have a standard result. First ನೀವು solve ಮಾಡಿ. Let me see if you people know the result or not, or else I'll give the result. Yes. Result ಏನದ? What is the result we have? Answer? We know that if A is a n cross n matrix, clear, nam direct result ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತದ ಅಂದ್ರ determinant of adjoint of A will be equals to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. This is the result. Clear alva? Understood? ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿ. A is a square matrix of order 3 ಅಂತಿದಾರ. So determinant of adjoint of A will be equals to determinant of A to the power of n minus 1, or which is determinant of A 3 minus 1, which is determinant of A square. Now they are telling that adjoint of A, the determinant 25 other. So 25 is equals to determinant of A square, or from here the determinant of A will be plus or minus 5. Correct? So option next plus 5 other. So option C is correct. Correct or no? In options we have plus 5. So option C is correct. Clear? Note down this result. Important result nodri idu. Result is important. Make sure you note it down. Done? Moving on next. If A is a square matrix of order 3, determinant of A is 4, then they are asking what will be the determinant of A into adjoint of A. A into adjoint of A ಕೇಳಿತಾರ. ಈಗ do it fast. Correct ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Do it students. Yes, done. Clear? So look at this. We have nothing but what, students, over here? Determinant of, correct? Determinant of A into adjoint of A anna. We can write it down as what? Determinant of A into determinant of adjoint of A anta bariboda. Yes or no? Can we write down like this, students? After that, we just saw a result that determinant of adjoint of A is determinant of A to the power of n minus 1. Ilmat order 3 other, so here it will be A square. So which is determinant of A cube. Determinant of A cube, another 4 cube. 4 cube is nothing but what? 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. So option A is correct. Clear? Option A is correct. Done. B ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರಿ. ಯಾರದ ಹಾಕಿದವರು B? Incorrect. B. Okay. Moving on next. We have singular and non-singular. Clear? Singular and non-singular matrix. Artha aita? Singular and non-singular matrix. Definition based. Okay. Singular matrix. Yes, look at this. Definition ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದಂದ್ರ a matrix A is singular. A is called a singular matrix. Clear? A is called a singular matrix. Fine. Condition is if and only if. Clear? If and only if determinant of this matrix A is equal to 0. ಏನಾದರೂ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ 0 ಬಂತಂದ್ರ ಯಾವುದು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಫೈನ್, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ A is called singular matrix if and only if determinant of A is equals to 0. Fine. Next, what is a non-singular matrix? ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ non-singular matrix. Clear? Fine. Understand this. Condition over here. Nodi. A matrix is non-singular. A is called non-singular matrix. Clear? If and only if. Clear? If and only if determinant of A should not be equals to 0. Artha aita? Singular andra determinant of A is equals to 0. Non-singular andra determinant of A is not equals to 0. So once we are clear with this, we will give an important result over here. Correct? Important result. Fine. Nodi. Result ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತದಂದ್ರ, what does the result say over here is a matrix is invertible. Clear? A matrix A is said to be invertible. A matrix A is said to be invertible if and only if one matrix A ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್ ಅನ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರ if and only if determinant of A is not equals to 0. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ಸಿಂಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾ? ಫೈನ್. ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಟಿಬಲ್? The meaning of invertible is inverse exists. Inverse of matrix exists. The meaning of invertible is inverse of the matrix exists. Yavag students are only if it is a non-singular matrix over here. Correct? Okay. So remember this important result. Marilik hogbedi. Aita. Don't forget. Fine. Ilinda inverse hogonu ivaga. One time this is clear, we are going to go what? Adjoint and inverse of the matrix. Andra, how do we give a inverse of the matrix? Clear? So A inverse. Fine. Look at this. Inverse of a matrix A. Inverse of a matrix A, inverse of a matrix A is denoted by A inverse, correct? Inverse of a matrix A is denoted by A inverse and defined by, clear? And defined by A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Clear? Idu 2 cross 2 matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix, for everything it is same. Clear alva? Inverse of a matrix A is denoted by A inverse and defined by A inverse is equals to adjoint of A. First now adjoint ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ and divided by determinant of A. Clear? ಇದೇನು ಬೇಡ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾ? Yes. Fine. Understood, students? Clear ada? So if I give you an example now, okay, ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ನೀವು ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ನಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, 1 minute time I will give. A is equals to, we'll take -6 to 5, correct, -1/2. Find A inverse. Okay, find A inverse. Madi. Do it, students, fast. 1 minute time. Do it fast. 1 minute time. Yes. Done. How will we do over here? We have to find A inverse. First of all, adjoint of A. Adjoint of A ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? A inverse ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ A ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Determinant of A will be nothing but what? This into this, 6 into 1/2, because minus into minus plus ಆಗ್ತದ, minus 5 2s are 10. So 2 1s are 2 3s are. So it will be 3 minus 10, which is equals to what? -7 over here, which is not equals to 0. So ಏನು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆತಿಲ್ಲಿಂದ? A inverse exist ಆಗ್ತದ? Yes or no? Next, adjoint of a 2 cross 2 matrix find ಮಾಡೋದು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತದ. Adjoint of a 2 cross 2 matrix, we know that it is given by, interchange these two elements, so -1/2, -6, change the sign of this, -2, -5. Clear? So Linda, if you see over here now, A inverse, next is A inverse, okay, A inverse will be equals to 1 by -7 into -1/2, -2, -5, -6. So minus ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. So 1/7 as it is. If I multiply minus, every element will become plus. 1/2, 2, 5, 6. Clear? Understood everyone? Done? Next. Okay. So next we'll go for this. Yes. If A is a singular matrix, then the value of X is. Quick find ಮಾಡಿ 30 seconds time. Okay. Quick. If A is 1 2 -1, 1 x minus 2 1 x 1 1, singular matrix. Singular matrix ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕನ್ಫರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದ? What does singular matrix confirm, students? Determinant of that matrix is equals to 0. Correct alva? Singular matrix means determinant of A should be equal to 0. Now do it quickly. ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Do it fast. Okay, done. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ we have nothing but what 1 into this into this will be x minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 times of this into this will be 1 minus x minus of minus 1 into we have nothing but what this into this is 1 minus x into x minus 2 should be equal to 0. Clear? Illi x minus 3 bartada minus 2 plus 2x minus 1 times of here we have 1 minus x square minus of minus plus 2x equals to 0. So Linda, here if you solve students, x minus minus 3 minus 2 will be yes x minus 5, or else if you add this over here 2x plus this will be 3x minus 5 minus 1 if I multiply this minus 1 minus of minus plus x square minus 2x is equals to 0. So Linda, we will get x square 3x minus 2x is plus x minus 6 is equals to 0. Factorize ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? x minus sorry x plus 3 into x minus 2 is equals to 0. So x value ಏನು ಬಂತ? X value is minus 3 and x value is 2. Correct? These are the values of x. So options nega I think we have 2. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂತು option A? How many of you have got option A? Done? Clear alva? Moving on next. We have this. The inverse of the matrix A is. Inverse of the matrix A is. Okay? Giving you the pole. Do it fast. Madi. Do it students quickly. Inverse of this matrix A. Fine. A inverse is equals to ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? A inverse will be equals to what? Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Clear? So determinant of this matrix na ಏನಾದರೂ calculate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ it will be nothing but what? 3 2s are 6 minus of minus plus 4 2s are 8 answer will be 14. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ 1 by 14 ಬಂತ. Yes or no? So ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಈ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತೂ 100% ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Changing this elements will get 3 2 adjoint find ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ directly 3 2 changing the sign 2 and minus 4. Correct? So 3 2 minus 4 2, so option C is correct. Clear? ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂತು option C? How many of you have got tick ಹಾಕಿರೇನು? Fine, option A ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದಿರಾ. Option C is correct. ಈ ಎರಡು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 3 2 changing the sign 2 and minus 4. Yes or no? Correct? Done? Next we have theorems on adjoint and inverse. Clear? Idanna this will be helpful for find two things. Correct? Helpful for MCQ 1 mark. Help. Correct? So this will be helpful for MCQs 1 mark and also for KCET. KCET 1 question sure shot e theorem magin bartada. Okay alva? Understood everyone? Look at this now. If A is a non-singular matrix, sorry, if A be any square matrix of order n, then A into adjoint of A into A is always equals to determinant of A into I. A into adjoint of the matrix. A anna adjoint jote multiply ಮಾಡಿ or adjoint anna A jote multiply ಮಾಡಿ always will get determinant of A times identity matrix. Clear alva? Here I is nothing but what? I will be n cross n identity matrix because A order n cross n ada. Understood? Clear? ಹೇಳಿ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟಾ? Fine students, nothing doubt, right? Moving on next. Here we have A and B are non-singular matrices. A ಮತ್ತೆ B ನಿಮ್ದು non-singular matrices ಅದಾವ of same order. Means what? Determinant of A, the meaning of this is nothing but what? Determinant of A is not equals to 0 and determinant of B is also not equals to 0. If A and B are non-singular matrices of same order, AB and BA are also non-singular matrices. ಹೌದಲ್ಲ? AB and BA are also, they are telling that it is non-singular matrices. ಅಂದ್ರೆ meaning ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? Determinant of AB is also not equals to 0 and determinant of BA is also not equals to 0. Clear? Next they are telling that the determinant of product of the matrices is equals to product of their respective determinants. Andre determinant of AB is equals to determinant of A into determinant of B. Determinant of product of matrices is equals to the individual determinant of the matrices. Next, a square matrix A is invertible if and only if it is non-singular. ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ A inverse exists if and only if determinant of A is not equals to 0. These are the results we have. Clear? Understood? Now if these results are clear, ಕೆಲವೊಂದು MCQs ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋಣ back to back. ನೋಡಿ, because 1 marks ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ. If A is a matrix of order 3 and determinant of A into adjoint of A is equals to 10i, determinant of adjoint of A is, can you do fast ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? Yes. Can you do it over here, students? Quick. Clear? Nodi. Just now we saw the theorem that A into adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A into I. So therefore we can confirm over here that determinant of A will be equals to what? Either compare madidra 10. Also we know now the standard property. ಹೌದನಿಲ್ಲ? Standard property ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತದ ನಮ್ಗ? We know the standard property that determinant of adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A square, because order is 3. So it will be nothing but what? 10 square. 10 square is what? 100. So option D is correct. Clear? Understood? ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Next, do this. ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವು ಚಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. Okay, do it students now. Next, if A is a square matrix, okay, ಇದು ಕೂಡ standard result. This is also based on standard result. Okay, A square matrix ಅದ order 2. Determinant of A 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ, determinant of A inverse ಕೇಳತಾರ. We have this result. Clear? We have this result. That is nothing but determinant of A inverse is equals to 1 by determinant of A. Clear? Artha aita? Standard result is. Understood? So from here, this will be equals to determinant of A inverse will be equals to 1 by determinant of A. So which is 1 by 3. Option C is correct. Done? Clear alva? Moving on next, we have this. Madi, if A and B are invertible matrices, A and B nimda invertible matrices idra, which one of the following is not correct? They are asking. ಇವಾಗ A and B invertible matrices idra, for sure we can confirm that both are non-singular. Yes or no? ಎರಡರದ್ದು determinant are not equals to 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? ಇದಂತೂ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನತಾರ. ದ ವರ್ಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಇದಂತೂ 100% ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ. ಎ ಬಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. And here if we see A into adjoint of A is equals to determinant of A into I, just now we saw. So this all are correct. Fine. So which is the incorrect option? Option A. Correct? Option A is the incorrect choice. Next, do this. The value of K for which the matrix has no inverses. 45 seconds time ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Inverse ಇರಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾವಾಗ inverse exist ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Hint over here is what? For this matrix, inverse does not exist if determinant of this matrix is equals to 0. Hint ಅಂತೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ. Has no inverse. Inverse exist ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. Banta answer? Did you people get the answer? Chal. So see here, we are telling that e matrix ada inverse exist ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. So determinant of this matrix, determinant of k minus 2, 3, k minus 5 should be equals to 0. So k into k minus 5, correct? Minus of minus plus 6 should be equals to 0. So k square minus 5k plus 6 should be equals to 0. So factorize madidre it will be k minus 2 into k minus 3 should be equals to 0. So k value should be equals to 2 comma 3. Yes or no? So option A is correct. Simple. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? Yes or no? ಹೇಳಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲ್ಲ MCQs ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಬರ್ಬೋದ. 50-50% ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಡನ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ? ಓಕೆ. So next we have this. Fine. Just a minute students. Mostly chats ನಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಓಹೋ, ಓಕೆ. ಅವಾಗಿನ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ. For me the chats are not loading. Very sorry my dear students. ಓಕೆ, ಇವಾಗ ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಎಸ್, ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫೈನ್. ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ 2025 ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಈಸಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಈಸಿ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಫೈನ್. ಎಸ್, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನಪ್ಪ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಕನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ಫ್ರಾಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, we will find AB and take. AB will be nothing but what? 2, 3, 4 minus 1 multiplied by 1 minus 2 minus 1, 3. Correct? Artha aita? So from here AB, product ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. This into this. 2 minus 3 will be nothing but what? Minus 1. Minus 4 plus 9 will be nothing but what? 5. 4 ones are 4 plus 1 will be 5. And minus 8 minus 3 will be minus 11. This AB banta. Clear? Now AB inverse will be equals to what? Adjoint of AB divided by determinant of AB. Correct? So determinant of AB, minus into minus plus 11 plus 25. ಏನು ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ? 11 plus 25 will be 36. 25, 26. Is it correct students? ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇನಾ? Tell me first. Fine. Yes, another 45 minutes ಅಪ್ಪ, ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. Clear? So look at this. So 2 minus 3 minus 1 minus 4 plus 9 will be 5. 4 plus 1 will be 4 plus 1 will be 5. Minus 8 minus 3 will be minus 11. Correct? So 1 by 36 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ. 1 by 36 into, we will be having nothing but what students? Interchanging these elements, minus 11, minus 1, minus 5, minus 5. Correct? ಇದು ನಿಮ್ದ AB inverse ಆತ. ಇದನ್ನ equation 1 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. Take this as equation 1. Fine. Next we will find B inverse A inverse. Okay. Next we will go to find B inverse will be equals to what? Adjoint of B divided by determinant of B. So which is equals to what? Determinant of B in bartada 3 plus 2 will be 5. 1 by 5 anta. Correct? 3 2s are 3 plus 3 minus 2. Sorry. 3 1s are 3. 3 minus 2 bartadilli, which will be 1. So at 1 divided by 1 we have. Correct? Into adjoint of B. Adjoint of B, change these two elements 3, 1, 2, 1. Is this clear? Yes or no? Howdanilla? Correct ada? Next. A inverse ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದ? Adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. So which is equals to what? Determinant of A andra -2 minus 2 minus 12. -2 minus 12 will be -14 minus 1 by 14. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಲ್ಲೂ. 2 3 4 minus 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. 2 1s are 2 minus 3 minus 1 not minus 4 plus 9 will be minus 4 plus 9 will be nothing but what? 5 6 7 8 9 5. 4 plus 1 5. Illinda minus 8 minus 3 minus 11. Minus of minus plus 11. 11 minus 11 plus 25 36. Okay. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗೈತಿ? ಬರ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್. Yes or no? ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತದ. or else matrix wrong ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡೆನಾ? 2 3 4 minus 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 3. Oh, okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Minus 11. Fine. Determinant of AB over here will be nothing but what? Fine. From here determinant of AB will be 11 minus 25 ಆಗ್ತದ, which is nothing but what? Minus 14. So minus 14 ಬರ್ತದ. Clear? Or else from here minus ಅನ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ AB inverse will be equals to 1 by 14 times minus ಅನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ 11 5 5 1. Correct? This is equation 1. Correct. Yes, 11 minus 25. Correct ada Pragnya. Correct. Fine. I have done a mistake. Now it is correct because ಇಲ್ಲಿ verify ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. After that, next students over here, if I find this will be minus 1 2 minus 3 minus 4. Let us multiply both of them. B inverse A inverse. Correct, which is equals to what? Minus 1 by 14. Let it be as it is. First matrix is another 3 2 1 1 multiplied by we have minus 1. Correct, minus 1 minus 3 minus 4 minus 2, which is equals to what? Minus 1 by 14 times minus 3 minus 8 will be minus 11 over here. Correct. Again minus 9 minus 4 will be nothing but what? Minus 9 plus 4. Clear? Minus 9 plus 4 will be minus 5 over here, minus 5 over here, and minus 3 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Correct? Understood everyone? Fine. This is plus 2. Sorry. Idu plus 2. Fine. So from here minus sign anna you multiply madidra 1 by 14, let it be as it is. Correct? And minus sign if you multiply 11 5 5 1. Clear alva? So from here it is clear that ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ your AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Correct? Suppose this is a equation 2. ಎರಡು equation ಇಂದ both are same, right? 1 and 2. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಬೋತ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಮಸ್ತ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀನಪ್ಪ. ನೀ ಹೆಂಗಿದೀಯಾ? ಐ ಆಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬೆಳಗಾವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ. ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ 2025 ನಾಗ ಬಂದೈತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಈಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅದ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಈಸಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ 2025. ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದಾರ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ದಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಎ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತದೇನಿಲ್ಲ ನೋಡೋಣ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ a square. A square will be nothing but what? A into A, which is equals to what? 2312 multiplied by 2312. ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? What will we get? This into this. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 will be 5. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 6 will be 12. 2 plus 2 will be 4. And 3 plus 4 will be 7. Ishta banta. Did we get this? Next, 4 times of A. 4 anna A du prati one element multiply maadi. 2 3 1 2. So here if you multiply, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And then we have identity matrix. Correct? So we have this equation a square minus 4a plus I, which is equals to 5 12 4 7 minus we have 8 12 4 8. Correct? Plus identity matrix we have, which is 1 0 0 1. Okay, mostly I'll ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗೈತೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ, because 5 minus 8. Clear? ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಐತಪ್ಪ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕ. ಓಕೆ, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 7. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 ಬರಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. Fine, this element over here is 7. Fine, here also it is 7. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Fine, 1-2 minutes. 4 M sir, 4 marks. Yes, this is your important for 4 marks. Okay, let me finish this one question. Adadmele break ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, ಆಯ್ತಾ? So from here if you see students, now subtract ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ you will get 0 0 0 0, which is equals to 0. Hence verified alva. Hence verified. Yes or no? Verify aita? Correct? Is it verified? Done? So once it is verified, now we have nothing but what? We will move further to this equation. A square minus 4a plus I equal to 0. Ilinda identity matrix, keep it over here only, and 4a minus a square ಆಗ್ತದ. Correct? Now what we will do students over here? Here we are going to multiply throughout by a inverse. ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೆ a inverse. So I into a inverse will be equals to 4a a inverse minus a square into a inverse. So which is equals to what? A inverse will be equals to 4 times identity matrix minus a. Clear? Understood? Ishtu banta? After this the last step will be just find ಮಾಡೋದ. Yes, very nice amma Vanishri. Super. Correct or no? Done. So after this the last step will be equals to what? A inverse will be equals to 4 times of 1001 minus we have 2312. Clear? So ilinda ನೀವು multiply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರ 4004 minus you will have 2312. So after this the A inverse will be equals to 2 minus 3 minus 1 2. Understood? Clear ada? Fine. So this is the answer we have. Fine. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Now in same way we have this. Clear? In the same way we have this problem, so this I am giving it to you as a practice. ಅದನ್ನ ಪೇಪರ್ 1 ನಾಗ ಬಂದಿತ್ತ, ಇದು ಪೇಪರ್ 2. ಫೈನ್, that had come in exam 1 2025 naga bandite ಎರಡು, exam 1 exam 2. So next we have this solution of system of linear equation. Last ada, this is the last thing we have. Clear? We'll take a 7 minutes break over here. ಒಂದು 7 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡ we can continue. Okay ಅಲ್ವಾ? Fine students, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. I'll give you 7 minutes break. Fine, after this just 15-20 minutes ನಾಗ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡೋಣ. Done? ಚಲೋ. So continue ಮಾಡೋಣ. Fine. So next topic over here is nothing but what? Solution of system of linear equation. ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಸಪೋಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Correct? Suppose we have system of linear equations which is given by nothing but what? A1x, correct? A1x plus B1y plus C1z is equals to some D1. A2x plus B2y plus C2z is equals to some D2. And we have A3x plus B3y plus C3z is equals to D3. Okay, so this is a system of linear equation, correct or no? Now this system of linear equation, fine, look at this system of linear equation, SOL andre ena system of linear equation. Fine, so this system of linear equation can be expressed in matrix form. Correct? This system of linear equation can be expressed in matrix form. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ? Ax is equal to b. Clear? Ax is equals to b. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Where a is nothing but what? Where A is nothing but what? We have the coefficient matrix antive idak. Correct? Coefficient matrix which is nothing but what? A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3. Correct? Idak ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? We call this as nothing but what? Coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix. Clear? We call this as coefficient matrix. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ದು x ಏನದ? X is nothing but what? X, Y, Z. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನೋಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ is nothing but what? The matrix B. Constant matrix, that is D1, D2, D3. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಂಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅದ. ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದಾ? ಈಗ ನೀವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಿರ್ಬೋದಾ ಸರ್, ಆಯ್ತಾ, ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದ, ಈ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಹೌ ವಿಲ್ ವಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? ಫೈನ್, ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದಿಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಫೈನ್. ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್, ಸಪೋಸ್ we have Ax is equals to B. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಾವು ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? ಫೈನ್. ಎಸ್ ಸಂಗಮೇಶ್, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್, ಡನ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಇದನ್ನ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎರಡು ಟೈಪ್ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಇರಬಹುದಾ? ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಐದರ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಎವರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇಸ್ ದರ್, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಏನ? ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಅ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. Correct? ಸೊ ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಟಾಕ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ನಾಗ ಈಗ ಎರಡು ಕೇಸ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇನ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ there can be two case. Either it can have a unique solution, fine, or it might be what, infinite solution. Clear? Infinite solution, fine. Consistent andra unique solution, fine. Class 11th sure, fine. In the second week of January we will be doing. Clear? Consistent andre unique solution, fine. Having a solution is called as consistent. Either it can be unique solution or infinite solution. Now when we talk about unique solution over here, the condition is unique solution ಬಗ್ಗೆ determinant of A should not be equal to 0. Okay, determinant of A should not be equals to 0. This is the condition for unique solution. Next condition is, correct, ಇದು first condition ಆಯ್ತಾ. Second condition is we give the solution by your x is equals to, correct, x is equals to A inverse into B, where A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Clear? A inverse is equals to adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Clear or no? Clear? Understood? So unique solution, determinant of A not equals to 0 ಇರಬೇಕಾ, and then we give x is equals to A inverse into B. Sir, your next chapter and class tomorrow, Sangmesh. Tomorrow I will be doing continuity and differentiability one shot. Okay? Next infinite solution ಹೋಗಿದಾಗ condition ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ first condition is determinant of A should be equal to 0, and second condition ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ A into adjoint of A into B should be equals to 0. ತಿಳಿತಾ? Did you people understand this? Consistent ಅಂದ್ರೆ having a solution. Unique solution, determinant of the matrix should not be equals to 0. Coefficient matrix ಇದು. Next ನಮ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಿರೋದೇನ x y z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ x will be equals to A inverse B. A inverse is adjoint of A by determinant of A. Infinite solution, determinant of A equals to 0 and adjoint of A into B should be equals to 0. Next cases we have inconsistent. Now when we talk about inconsistent over here, its condition is what? No solution. Clear? Inconsistent meaning it's what? Not having a solution. Clear? Not having solution. Andre systemic solution illa. Yes or no? So this means that what? This case is for what? No solution. No solution. Illi unique solution, infinite solution. Here we have no solution. ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರ್ತದ? First condition, determinant of A equals to 0 ಇರಬೇಕಾ. Second condition is nothing but what? Adjoint of A into B should be equal to, not be equals to 0. Clear ada? Did you people understand this? Unique solution, infinite solution, no solution. Clear? So this is about the consistency and inconsistency. So next ಇದು ಒಂದು MCQ ಅದ, try to do this MCQ students 45 seconds time. For the matrix A, for the square matrix A, AX is equals to B, which one of the following is not correct? ಈಗ explain ಮಾಡಿರೋ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಐತಿ. Not correct ಅನ್ನತಾರ. Correct or no? Not correct. Yes, this is important amma. Okay, these conditions are important. Conditions over here, and over this condition. Important conditions ಇದು. Yes, do this problem. ಮಾಡಿ. Just ಈಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ explain ಮಾಡಿಸಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Based on that only we have this. Done? D, yes, very nice. Look at this. They are telling over here that determinant of A not equals to 0 atandra there exists unique solution. Yes or no? ಈಗ just ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ determinant of A not equals to 0 ಅಂದ್ರೆ unique solution ಇರಬೇಕಾ? So this is correct. Determinant of A equals to 0 and adjoint of A into B not equals to 0, there exists no solution. ಇದು ಕೂಡ direct condition ಅದ. Yes or no? Means this is also correct. Next, determinant of A is 0, adjoint of A into B equals to 0, then the system may or may not be consistent. ನೋಡೋಣ. Sir, option D, A is equals to 0 is consistent. Okay. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. Determinant of A not equals to 0, then the system they are telling that it is inconsistent. ಇಲ್ಲಲ್ವಾ? Yes or no? Look at this. Here if you see, they are telling that determinant of A 0 ನ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಕೂಡ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ 0 ನ ಇರಬೇಕಾ? ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಹೇಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 0, ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಹೇಳತ್ತಾರ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ determinant of A is 0, adjoint of B, then the system may or may not be consistent. May or may not be another. Okay, may or may not be. But here we know that we get infinite solutions alva. Correct or no? By this condition we tell that we get infinite solution. ಇವಾಗ infinite solution ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ it will be consistent. Correct or no? Infinite solution ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ it will be consistent. So option D is correct. Very nice everyone. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದೈತೆ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? ಎಸ್, ಡನ್. ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದಿಸ್. ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ದ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಈಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್. 5 marks ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಎಸ್, ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ? ವಿಲ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆರ್ ಶುಡ್ ಐ ಸಾಲ್ವ್? ಕ್ವಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡೋಣ. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ A is equals to nothing but what? The matrix A. This system of equations can be expressed in the form of Ax is equals to B form. Correct? Where A is equals to what? 4, 3, 2, 2, 4, 6, 6, 2, 3. ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Determinant of A if you find over here, first of all determinant of A find ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. X is nothing but what? We have X, Y, Z. Clear? And B is nothing but what? B is nothing but we have 60, 90 and 70. Correct? Now determinant of A if we calculate, 4 times of, we have 4 3s are 12 minus 12 minus 3 times of, illinda ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ? 3 2s are 6 minus 36 plus we have 2 times of 2 2s are 4 minus 24. Correct? So ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ? This will be 0. Correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 6 minus 36 is minus 30, minus of minus plus 90 ಬರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Correct ಅಲ್ವಾ? Minus 30, 90 and minus we will have nothing but what? 80. So determinant of A value ಏನು ಬಂತ? It is nothing but 10, which is not equals to 0. So this confirms that A inverse exists. ಈಗ A inverse exist ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ this will become happy. A inverse exist ಆಗ್ತದಪ್ಪ. So from here X will be equals to A inverse into B. Correct? A inverse into B. Understood? Clear ada? Understood or no? Fine. Now quickly tell me adjoint of A. ನೀವ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾ, ನಾ ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Because already shortcut method kuda explain ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. A inverse we know that it is adjoint of A divided by determinant of A. Quickly tell me students, here we'll have 1 by 10. What will be adjoint of A over here? Element by element. You can type it in your chat box. I will give you 2 minutes time. Correct? 2 minutes time ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ. Fine. To calculate the adjoint. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ಕಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಂದ ಕೂಡ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇನಪ್ಪ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ನೋಡು ಒಂದ್ಸತಿ. ಒನ್ ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಇದ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಫೈನ್, ಮಾಡಿ, ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್. Chal. I think you have got this. 0 minus 5 10 correct? Verify ಮಾಡಿ ನನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಜೊತೆ. 0 minus 5 10 30 0 minus 20. Okay, correct alva? Same thing you have got. 30 0 minus 20 minus 20 10 10 minus 20 10 10. Fine, this is the answer. 12 marks. Okay, illinda next here if you see now we have nothing but what, ಇದನ್ನ ಈ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. That is x will be equals to a inverse into b, so which is equals to what, 1 by 10 times we have 0 minus 5 10 30 0 minus 20 minus 20 10 10 multiplied by the matrix we have nothing but what, 60 90 70, 60 90 and 70. So if we multiply properly, 1 by 10 ana horgade irli. Fine, here if we multiply now, so minus 450 plus 700, correct? 450 minus ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದ, tell me fast. Fine, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ಇರ್ತದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಾಗ. ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ನೋ ವರೀಸ್. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? 9 5 45 700 450 250 ಬರ್ತದ. 250 will get over here. Correct? Determinant of A correct ಅದಲ್ಲ? Fine, determinant of A is correct, right? 6 30 90 2 times of 4 24 minus 20. Okay, here I have done a mistake. This will be minus 40 over here because 4 minus 20 2 2s are 4 minus 40 bartada. So answer will be over here. What, students? Determinant of A will be equals to 50. Correct? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು. Yes or no? Determinant will be what, students? Over here it will be 50. Clear? This will be 50 over here. 1 by 50, 1 by 50 and here also 1 by 50. Next, 1800 minus 1400, correct, which is 400. And then last we have again 400 bartada, 1200 or 900 minus 1200 plus 700, which is again 400. Correct? So if I divide by 50 now to each term, here I'll get 5 8 8. Correct? So therefore your x value is 5, y value is 8 and z value is also equal to 8. So this is how we find the solution of system of linear equations. Clear? Understood? Now next problem is this. Correct? Idanna you people will be doing as a practice problem. Clear? Practice problem. Clear? So easy ag madlika, to do this easily, what you can do, students, over here is, nodi, first equation let it be as it is. We have 2x plus y plus z is equal to 1. E equation iga I will multiply throughout by 2. Correct? So here it will be 2x minus 2 2s are 4y minus 2z is equals to 3. And this equation will be 0x plus 3y minus 5z will be equal to 9. After this you can use the regular method over here. Correct? Martiralva? Fine. Next we have few MCQs over here. Adadmele this is done. Madi nodona. Do it quickly, giving you the poll over here, 30 seconds time. A and B are square matrices of same order. Determinant of AB is 16, determinant of A is 8, then determinant of B is. Yep, super. Sangmesh, very nice. Appa. Sangmesh Koli avra. Bijapurnavರೇನ್ರಿ ನೀವು? ಬಿಜಾಪುರ. Yes. So let us do. Ill nodi. Just now we saw that determinant of AB can be written as determinant of A into determinant of B ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. Determinant of AB ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 16. Determinant of A 8 times determinant of B. So here determinant of B value ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? 16 by 8 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 2. So 2 is the answer. Yes or no? 2 is the answer. Correct? Sorry. E poll ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದಿತ್ತ. We'll type B. Done. Next problem. Yes, if A is 1 1 3 2, then 2 times determinant of A transpose is. Yes, 8 Allah 2 is the answer, because here 8 divided by 16 divided by 8 is 2 alba. For that reason, clear? Do this. Integer type poll ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ. Do it. Integer type poll. Do it ಅಮ್ಮ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes. Ilinda, what do we have? Determinant of 2 times of A transpose. ಈಗ 2 ಅನ್ನ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. If I have to remove 2 outside, it will be 2 square times determinant of A transpose. We also know that the result determinant of A is equals to determinant of A transpose. It's standard result ada. Correct? Understood, students? This is the result we have. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನಾಗ್ತದ? 4 times determinant of A. ಇವಾಗ determinant of A ಏನದ? If we calculate the determinant of A over here, it is equals to 1 into 2 2 minus we have 3, which is equals to what? Minus 1. So 4 times of minus 1, which is equals to what? Minus 4. Correct? Minus 4. Understood? So I think minus antu hakak barangilla, 4 anta haktini. Done? Clear ada? Understood? Okay, let us move on next. We have this. If A and B are square matrices of same order, A and B are square matrices of same order n cross n, determinant of A is equals to 3 and determinant of B is equals to 2, then which of this statement is correct? 60 seconds time ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ, analyze ಮಾಡಿ. Analyze and do it, students. Yes, Vanishri, very nice ma. ಈ ಪೋಲನ್ನ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡು, ಲೀಡರ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಪ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀಯ. D, B, C, okay, fine. So ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, first of all, if we discuss this, they are asking determinant of AB, which is equals to what? Determinant of A into determinant of B, correct alva? Which is equals to what, students? 3 into 2, which is equals to what? 6. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ, ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 1 ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಕೇಳತ್ತಾರ. ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ ಬಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪೋಸ್ which is equals to what? Determinant of A transpose into determinant of B transpose. Just now I told that the value of determinant of the matrix and its transpose both are same. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು? 2 into 3 into 2 which should be equal to 6. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? 1 by 6 which is not equal. So ಈ statement incorrect ಅದ. Yes or no? This statement is incorrect. Clear? So ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ statement 1 and 2 are true ಅನ್ನತಾರ, false. Fine. Only 1 and 3. Okay, 3 kuda nodana. Here all 3 statements are true another, which is also incorrect. Either A or C is correct. So here A and B are square matrices of order n cross n. So determinant of K times n. Okay, AB. Sorry. Determinant of K AB. ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? K ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ K to the power of n times determinant of AB. But determinant of AB value ಏನದ? K times n, determinant of AB value ಏನದ? 6 ಬಂದೈತಲ್ಲ, 6. So this is correct. Yes or no? Fine. So which is incorrect now? Option C is correct. ತೇತ್ ನಿಮ್ಗ? Did you people understand? Option C is correct. 2 true ಇಲ್ಲ. B ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿರಿ, which is incorrect because ನೋಡಿ just I had told A and A transpose both are same. So here also same rule. Clear? Understood? Fine. Next. Do this. Do this students. Again 1 minute time. Mad. Easy ada idu kuda. This is also easy. Same rule. Which I told you now. Same thing you need to apply. Enu changes madodilla. Do it correctly. Done. Chalo. So ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿ ಇವಾಗ. Here we have determinant of A B B dash is equals to what students? Determinant of A into determinant of B into determinant of B dash. Correct alva? ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತದ? We know that determinant of B and B dash both are same. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ determinant of B ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? So which will be determinant of A into determinant of B square. Quick ಆಗಿ ಎರಡು matrices determinant ಅನ್ನ find ಮಾಡಿ. Determinant of A will be nothing but what? 2 minus 4 3s are 12, which will be equals to what? Minus 10. And determinant of B will be equals to what? 2 2s are 4 plus 1 will be 5. So we have minus 10 into 5 square. So which will be minus 10 into 25. Answer will be what? Minus 250. Correct? So option B is correct. Done? ಯಾರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಈಸಿ ಇರೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ. Yes or no? Moving on to the last problem over here. Boards 2025. Last problem. Okay? Boards 2025. ಮಾಡಿ. Easy. ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಸಿದ ಮ್ಯಾಗ ಐತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. Do it quickly. Last problem. Okay? That's it. Determinant topic ಅನ್ನ one shot ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಈ 3 hours ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ದಿಸ್ 3 hours ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ನೀವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ 12 marks. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? 12 marks ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎಸ್, ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್. ಈಗ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್? ಹೌ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ನೌ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಡು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್? Determinant of A into A dash. How we can write down determinant of A into determinant of A dash? We know that both the matrices are of what? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತದ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್? ವಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಬೋತ್ ದ ಮ್ಯಾಟ್ರೈಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್. ಸಾರಿ, ಇದು ಎರಡರದು ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಎ, ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ವಾಟ್? ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 8 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 60. ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಹೌದಲ್ವಾ? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ? ಎಸ್, ಸೂಪರ್ ಫೈನ್. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋಲ್ ಅಂತೂ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ. If you see the leaderboard over here, yes, Vanishri, very nice, Amma. Sanju, Karthik, okay. So that's it, my dear students, for today's session. Artha aitalva? Fine. So whatever the determinants we have covered today, I hope it is correctly understood to you by you people. ಹೌದೇನಿಲ್ಲ? ಏನು ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಏನೇನು MCQs ಆಗಲಿ, 4 marks, 5 marks, 2 marks area of the triangle, I think everything is clear to you people. Correct alva? Fine. So tomorrow students, that is Monday. Clear? Fine. Monday date in bartada 29th. Yes or no? 29/12/2026. Correct? I am going to do one shot on continuity. Correct? One shot irtada continuity maga, continuity and differentiability. Clear? This is the schedule ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ upcoming week the. Fine. Continuity and differentiability, and then on Wednesday, correct, on Wednesday, that is 31/12/2026. Clear? One shot irtada, one shot, and topic will be applications of derivatives. ಭಾಳ ಜನಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಕಷ್ಟ ಅನಿಸ್ತದ, ಬಟ್ ಈಸಿ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ derivatives. Clear? Understood students? Fine. Yes, so that's it for today's session, my dear students. Thank you for joining the class. Correct? I hope ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಸೆಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಏನನ್ನ 31st ಗೆ ಇರ್ತದ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್. Fine. Semi-final race will be in the evening. Clear alva? So I hope students, timing tomorrow it will be 1 PM. ನಾಳೆ 1 PM ಗೆ ಇರ್ತದ. ಓಕೆ, ಟೈಮ್ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. Tomorrow's class will be at 1 PM in the afternoon. Correct? 1 PM. And then this class will be at 12 PM. Fine? 12 PM. Okay? So I hope students, what all we have covered in today's class, it is clear for you. Next session ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಇಂದ ಸಿಗೋಣ ಮತ್ತೆ, and we will cover these two topics as well. ಇದು ನೋಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ you will get around 17 to 19 marks. Correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ you will get again around 11 marks. Correct? So yes, thank you ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ. Thank you my dear students. Have a wonderful Sunday. Next session ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. Till then, take care. Thank you everyone. Thank you my dear students.